Good evening from USA, friends, colleagues, comrades, and connections. Now, the episode's topic is cars. You might have noticed that the cars market in USA and India are crowded. Several brands of cars are existing now, and several varieties or variants of cars are existing now. Um, uh, for example, in America, petrol, diesel, electrical vehicles are existing. In India, petrol, diesel, and gas and electrical cars are existing. Similarly, around cars, uh, e-commerce firms are existing like Uber and Ola. In India, Uber and Ola are existing. Similarly, in America, Uber is dominating. So, cars market is a unique and thriving market. And you might have read the book of Arthur Haley on wheels, which is about the car industry. Uh, many many years have passed since the book has been written. So you will see different cars are emerging from then. Please observe the cars market. It is going through a sea change. Thank you so much.